see. What could it be?
I don't know.
What is it, Adelaide?
Um,
Can you pull it out?
I don't think
Pull it. Pull it hard. Come on, bud. What do you think it is?
I think it's for me.
It is for you, but what do you think it is?
I don't know.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Well, it's your own little backpack with a pocket with like. Best friends.
I
think could it be a sleeping bag?
sleeping bag. Check.
Yeah, we'll check.
Yeah. Picnic blanket writing cream. Happy birthday writing cream. And thank you for special my dad waiting.
Is that what's inside? Holy cow.
What is it?
It's your very own sleeping bag.
I don't see sleep on it.
How cool.
I don't sleep on it.
You sleep in it.
I want to do
See?
it.
You get to crawl in there and zip yourself up.
Okay. Good night.
Good night.
But I need a pillow now.
Yeah, you need a pillow.
I need my toilet my pillow. Be right back.
Okay.
So I can watch TV.
You like the two Adelaide? You want to crawl in there?
What was that?
You like it too? What's your baby's name? Oh, what's his name? Can you kiss the baby? Can you kiss the baby? You like the sleeping bag too, huh?
I got my pillow. I'm ready to sleep.
Okay.
Now I go in. Where are my strawberries? Oh, there it is. I watch TV now.
Sure.
I can watch TV while I'm sleeping.
Okay, get comfy.
Okay. I want to get comfy now.
All right. You want me to turn the lights out for you? How's that? Is that better?